Mikel, you are a head of capital markets in CBRE. We are seeing a lot of interest for Iberia and still a very good prospect. So what is the sentiment of the investors? Is still good opportunity to invest in the major cities of Portugal and Spain?
Of course, I believe the trend is still there. I think that the level of equity and activity for investors has been growing during the last years. What I would like to highlight probably is that the sentiment has changed from an office and retail driven, mainly focused on those two sectors, has potentially evolved during the last months and is forecasting a better and more consistent growth in sectors such as industrial, PRS as well as alternatives. I believe that the international equity is willing to deploy a lot of equity into these markets. Cities like Madrid, Barcelona, Lisbon are definitely the major targets for this equity, but as well other secondary cities on tier 1, let's call it Valencia, Seville, Bilbao, as well as Porto, would definitely attract this type of investors. In terms of the logistics and PRS, I think that is those are two sectors which are definitely having a room to grow. There is a lot of appetite from the tenants and from developers who are willing to let's say create good platforms and good assets that could be transacted. And with regards to the alternative, as it is a sector that effectively is just covering different sides, which is not only senior living, healthcare, as well as student housing, petrol stations, leisure, all those different alternatives are just capturing a lot of attractiveness from investors, and definitely will be a major theme during the next years, and will be developed to a more consolidated and institutional sector towards the next years in both Portugal and Spain.